Alright guys, so this is driving with the blow-off valve hooked up to a true vacuum. So Sound Symposer delete kit hooked up using the boost port true vacuum. So this is what it sounds like. So I don't know if you can hear the turbo flutter. There's definitely a lot of that. Basically now, I'm pretty shocked at the difference. It's definitely night and day. It sounds like I have a completely different setup in terms of the blow-off valve. It sounds completely different. Under medium to high boost, the blow-off valve is kind of the same. It's more crisp for sure. It sounds more like a whip, which is pretty cool. Hey, another focus. Yeah, it's my color too. That's completely stuck. Yeah, so yeah, under high boost, really getting on it, the blow-off valve sounds very whippy. There's a couple people working out in there. 4 in the morning, nice. Sorry, I'm getting all distracted. Yeah, under high boost, really getting on it. It sounds nice and crisp. There's no flutter. But under low boost and no boost, there's a lot of engine flutter, so I'm not really sure how I feel about that. I'm gonna have to drive the car a little bit more, read a little bit more on it, because turbo flutter is not a good thing, actually. It sounds super cool, but it's not good at all for your turbo. It's when all the valves close and that extra air, the back pressure, has nowhere else to go except through the turbine the other way, which is why you hear the flutter. It's the chopping of the air that goes back through the turbo. It's not that complicated. So a little bit of flutter is fine. But I don't know, from me experimenting with it so far before I push record, slightly worried about how much flutter there is, especially under like lower boost. But again, I'm gonna do some more research into it, and I'll let you guys know probably like in the next video that I release. So I'll let you guys know that. I'm just trying to be upfront with anybody that's doing this, letting you guys know there's a bit of flutter with this thing. I'll try to shut up and so you guys can really listen to the flutter. I probably need to roll down the window a little bit. It's pretty loud. I don't know if the audio can pick it up. That was a loud one. So it seems like if you're in kind of like low boost and a high gear where you shouldn't really be, it does it a lot. That was better. Let's see. Slowing down in 4th gear, 1500 RPM. Yeah, definitely. That's the case when it does it. Which actually, now that I'm thinking about it, I think that's actually okay. I'll try to recreate that situation so you guys can really hear it, and I'll do it a couple times in a row. Okay. Alright, I'm just gonna shift into 4th now. Alright, so 1500 RPM. I'm gonna get the boost up a bit. Yeah, it does it really loud. Here, I'll do it again. Yeah, it definitely does it pretty loud there. All right, now I'll just go through the gears really quick, crack the window so you guys can hear what the blow-off valve sounds like if I'm getting on it. I need to make sure that's not a cop right there. Doesn't look like it. That's a truck. So the blow-off valve sounds real nice and crisp. Sorry for the whistle. It's there's something on the outside of the car that I need to like fix. It's like the wind going over the mirror or something like that. But hopefully you guys got that clip there of me doing that. Hopefully you can hear. But yeah, so it definitely flutters really hard when you're low RPM and you not floor it, but you hit the gas. I just hope the GoPro audio can pick that up, because it's definitely cool. But like I said earlier, I'm going to do a little more research of the car. I'm going to do a little more research on the Flutter, and I'll keep you guys updated. And from what I read and people's opinions and all this stuff, will determine if I keep this True Vacuum setup on the car or not. I'm assuming there's probably a way that if I get the car tuned with this setup on, I can probably make it not flutter as much as it's doing right now. And if that's the case, then I probably will go with that. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty cool. It definitely sounds way different, and it sounds pretty badass, I'm not gonna lie. So yeah, anyways, I'll keep you guys updated. The next video that I will be doing will probably be on, I haven't decided yet, some touch-up paint, how to use a touch-up paint marker that from the dealership, which is cool, or some tire lettering paint. Don't really know how I feel about that, but those will probably be the next topics, somewhere along those lines. And I also, at some point, I want to do a video just going over every single mod that I've done to the car, difficulty scale, the price. I'll probably link every single product I have so you guys can check it all out, and the price to get it what it is now. That video will probably be coming soon. But yeah, that's about it. Appreciate everybody watching this video, and I hope these sound clips were helpful in deciding if you guys want to do this or not. But yeah, till next time, see you guys later.